Hi everyone, I am starting a new series on for Fridays called Craft Fair Friday, and I plan on showing you items that you could use for a craft fair, a vendor show, a pop-up shop, Etsy, anywhere that you would like to sell your products for a craft fair, or in that capacity. Anyway, you've seen these before. They're the tea favors, and I made the Valentine's version. I'm using some of the new Michaels paper for this year, the Valentine's paper. And these little felt objects are from the Dollar Tree. You can find those right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I will show you what you need to make this, and then we'll package it on camera as well. So here, it should be pretty simple. You're going to need a piece of paper that is 6 by 6. You will need some form of adhesive, whether it's tape, a tape runner, or glue. Glue would probably be the most economical thing. I am going to use tape today because it's easy. And then you will need some type of corner rounder to round off that corner here in here. Okay, so let's get started. And another thing, I am using packaging for this, so I will package it using the clear bags B54. Okay, if you decide to get something like that. Okay. And then, of course, you're going to need your little decorative felt pieces or whatever you have in your stash. You may have stickers, and then you will need some tea as well. Okay, a couple of tea bags. All right, let me get started. This is so easy. You've seen it a million times, I'm sure. Okay, so easy. So you will take your paper and fold it corner to corner. And I'm just going to crease it. This is kind of I guess an origami method. So I'm going to go ahead and corner round that. I like that look. And then you have to look to make sure that your paper's not directional. I want this on the back, so I am going to take this to the front. I'm going to fold this down about halfway. That's going to make our pocket. Okay, that's what it should look like. Okay, then I'm going to take, I like to take this corner first. I'm going to take it about, you can see there's some space right here, so this can fall down. And then I'm going to fold this corner in. Let's see. That's pretty close to being perfect. Yeah, it's a little off. So when it is a little off, there is a way that you can kind of correct it, is just take a little bit more in on the opposite side. Let's see if that will work. Yeah, that makes it better. And then go ahead and fold it down. I mean, flatten it as much as possible. I can't talk today, guys. Bear with me. Okay, so there's your little pocket. All right, I am going to add glue or tape, whatever you decide to use. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm going to go ahead and put the tape on all three areas that I need to tape. If you're doing glue, you probably don't want to do this ahead of time because that could be a hot mess. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take that glue up, fold that in, fold that in, fold that in. Okay, we're almost done. Now all you have to do is glue this on. Now I am going to tape it, I guess. Probably not the best bet, but it's what I have right now. I could use a liquid glue, but I don't know. I don't want to use liquid glue. Not today. Okay, maybe I should have used liquid glue. Okay. There you go. That may not stick very well, but we shall see. So I am going to put the wild orange tea in there, the wild sweet orange tea. Get rid of our trash. Let me figure out what paper I'm going to make the topper with. Oh, we will need a trimmer. It would also be cute with a round doily to make a topper with that. I don't have one, otherwise I would show you that, but I don't have one. I have a heart-shaped doily from Dollar Tree, but I just don't think that that's going to work very well. Okay, so I think I'm just going to use a piece of pink solid paper, and we're going to go ahead and package these real quick. So these bags, the B54, are 4 5/8 inches wide. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to 4 3/4. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do 4 3/4. And depending on what you want how wide you want your topper, I'm going to do 3 inches. And 3 inches. So it's 4 3/4 by 3 inches is what I cut out. Okay. You could score it if you want to. I am just going to fold it. But you could put it in your scoreboard and, you know, make it all fancy. I'm not going to do that today. Okay. So the flap is at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to package this one. This bag's a little big for that. Should have got a smaller bag, but I didn't. That's okay. All right, another thing you need is a stapler. I didn't think about that, guys. But we do need a stapler. So I'm going to go ahead staple that on there. I usually would use my Tim Holtz tiny attacher, but I don't know where it is. So. I'd probably use a smaller bag, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. I'm going to line it up with the edge, fold that up. Whoops, kind of messed that up. Straighten that up. So you can decorate that edge if you don't like that. I do have going to add cost to it because you want to keep these kind of cheap. I wouldn't sell these more than, you know, $2 at a craft show. But if you wanted to make it, in fact, these I'd probably sell for $1. But if you wanted to hide all of that and make it pretty, I do have this beautiful lace that you could add to that. I'm not going to, but this is lace that I bought at Hobby Lobby. And it's the Poly Venice lace with heart in ivory. I did not pay that. This is 1.5 inches by 3 yards, $6.99. Okay, it was 50% off. Anyway, this gives you some ideas of what you could do. You could do that. That would be very, very pretty. Now, Dollar Tree, I know, has some ribbons that you could use as well, like flat lace ribbons. That's kind of like the flat lace that Dollar Tree carries. You could definitely use that. This would be so cute, though. I'm not going to do it, though. But anyway, this is just a simple project for a craft fair. You could do this for any season. Easter, 4th of July, you know, all, you know, fall, Christmas, any time of the year you can make these. And they're super cute. So, all right. Good luck. Have fun making these. Have a great day. Bye.